APAC Equity Daily Wrap, September 17, 2024. South Korea, China, and Taiwan remained closed for holidays today. Most Asian equities traded higher, except Japan weighed by exporters. This week, the focus is on rate decisions from central banks, though I believe it's more of a US Fed narrative than a BOJ story. The dollar has weakened to its lowest level this year, pushing yen higher. On single stocks, Sony and Tokyo Electron were the biggest contributors to the decline in Japanese equities, though trading volumes were light. Meanwhile, Chinese home appliance giant Midea surged 9% in its Hong Kong debut, reflecting a 14% discount to its A-share price on the Chinese mainland, in line with peers. India's Bajaj Housing continued to rally following yesterday's blockbuster IPO. Apple suppliers weakened as iPhone 16 pre-order sales fell short of expectations. The FOMC meeting remains the most important event this week. Former New York Fed President William Dudley commented on Monday that the Fed should cut rates by 50 points. Additionally, 3 Democratic senators urged the Fed to pursue a larger cut, suggesting as much as 75 bps this week. Probability of a 50 bps rate cut has shifted dramatically in the last 24 hours, from 50% to almost 70%. However, rising expectations did not trigger a significant market reaction. Gold was just up $4 on Monday, and U.S. indexes remained range-bound within a 0.5% band. The muted response suggests that the magnitude of the cut may be less important than whether it's seen as a preventive measure or a reaction to deeper economic concerns. Tonight's U.S. August retail sales data will be key for investors in assessing the Fed's stance. A 50 bps rate cut may be the most favorable outcome for stocks in the short term, but the Fed will need to reassure investors that such a move is not driven by recession fears.